Alright guys, welcome back to the Tiki Kev shop. I forgot to take a little video before we took the bar apart, but you guys seen it probably 100 times already in my recent video. So we were getting ready to head out to Manalapan, New Jersey to install this 10x8 bar with that monster roof on it. So I'll keep piecing videos together, but we're going to start loading this thing up. But as you can see, it's all apart. It came apart in 10 pieces. Doesn't look like it, but it did. So until the next video, Tiki Kev out. Alright guys, well, we made it to Manalapan, New Jersey. And I know I didn't take many videos after that first shop video, but Tiki Bar is going back there. And we have Dan and we have Liam, but we have an encore. Walt and Daniel are back for an install. This could be a really drama. We could make a lot of drama out of this. But anyway, we're getting unloaded. We're going to, as you guys saw, the bar is in many pieces. So we're going to get started here. And we'll take another video shortly. All right, so see you in the next video. All right, guys. Well, we got the bar put back together. Good effort by everyone. This thing went together a little quicker and a lot smoother than I thought, considering I have two new guys here. But Walt and Daniel, they knew what they were doing, and it went nice and smooth. So now we're getting ready to put the roof together. And then once the roof goes together, we'll be able to get that up. Hopefully, it's looking like rain again. Hopefully we can at least get this roof up today. We did bring tarps, though, to tarp it. So all the electric's working. As you can see, the rope lighting's on underneath there. We got our compressor plugged in. So I hooked up all the electric, so that's all good. So now it's time to put this roof together. All right, until the next video. I told anybody how much I hate the rain. And look, Liam's so damn tall, his head's closer to the clouds. He's getting more wet than anybody.
All the schools are in.
All right. Dude, this sucks.
Yeah.
Come on, Walt. Well, we got it partially thatched. We wound up having to tarp it. Yeah, well, at least we know the tarp doesn't leak. Well, let's see what we can get done today. We'll see how long we're going to wait this out. Because I hear Sushi calling my name. Tiki Kev out. Alright guys, well here we are. We did encounter a little more rain yesterday. We weren't able to get done, so we finished up today, Sunday. And had one hell of a crew out here. Well, everybody except Liam. Nah, everybody did a great job. You got Liam. Look who's back. Daniel. Walt. And where's Dan? There's Dan. Great job, Dan.
Thank you.
I'm deleting that part. No. All right, guys. So here's what we got. We got a 10x8 Tiki bar with a 13x11 Endura Reed Viva 3.0 thatched roof. And we got, let's see, we got 10 Tiki Kev custom swivel bar stools. And let's get a little closer and I'll show you guys what we got going on. Right there, we got rope lighting all around the bar. Not sure if you can see it. It's bright and sunny today. And, oh, wait a second. Very important. Very important. Hang on. Who did the Tiki bar? Yeah, Tiki Kev, that's right. All right, well, we have a glass door refrigerator in this one. Holds 144 cans of beer. Pretty impressive. And we got cabinets all the way around. Lower bar top, upper bar top, and ceiling fan and light in this one. And we have a TV. Yeah, that's me. Hi, everybody. So let's go back around here. Love to hear all your guys' comments and anything else you'd like to add. So we got always the custom footrest. And this is pretty much it for this one. We've had so much rain over the last month that we haven't been able to get hardly anything out. This is only our third project since we started in late March. So we lost a lot of time. But this one's done. We're going to head back and we'll see where we're heading next. All right, love to hear your comments. So from Manalapan, New Jersey, for the whole Tiki Kev crew of Liam, Dan, Daniel, Walt, And yours truly, Tiki Kev. Tiki Kev out.